Hi there! I'm Joanne, an avatar from Gervasi PhotoArts, and I want to help you get the most out of your upcoming photo or video session. A little preparation makes a big difference, so let's walk through this basic overview. At the end of this video, you will see how to get your free copy of the full-length guide in PDF format. A few days before your session, try to cut back on sugar and processed foods, and get good sleep. Your skin will thank you. Exfoliate the day before, and if you love your smile, fresh dental cleaning never hurts. If you've got visible tan lines with your chosen outfit, it may be best to reschedule. And hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Ladies, plan eyebrow shaping and new hairstyles a couple of days ahead. Men, get a haircut within 2 days of your session and trim everything. Beard, mustache, eyebrows, ear hair, and yes, nose hair. On the day of your session, eat something light so you have the energy to hold poses comfortably. Stay hydrated, brush and floss, and make sure your face is clean and not shiny. Wardrobe matters more than people realize. Choose clothes that fit well, avoid wrinkles, and stick to solid colors. They're more flattering on camera. And pastels work great under jackets. But small patterns or stripes tend to not photograph well. Keep jewelry simple. And if you wear glasses, bring a few different pairs so we can manage glare. If you're recording a green screen video, avoid wearing anything green or reflective, keep your hair smooth, and try not to raise your hands above your shoulders. If you are going to be an actor in your own avatar videos, minimize big gestures and keep your face clearly visible. And if you're coming in for headshots or portraits, we offer magazine-quality retouching and my signature e-sculpting to enhance your final images, always with a natural-looking touch. To download your free photo and video session preparation guide in PDF format, simply fill out the form below. If you're watching this video from somewhere other than our website, you can get your copy at https://jgphotoarts.com/free-prep-guide. I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you make a perfect first impression.